Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your custom profiles aren't saving to your Logitech G316 X keyboard's onboard memory. So let's say you created some custom animation for your keyboard and you want to save it to your onboard memory, so you go to settings, then select onboard memory, enable it, and apply the current G Hub profile to your keyboard, but your custom animation doesn't get applied. Now, how you fix that? In order to fix it, we're gonna have to go back to our keyboard in the G Hub application, disable the onboard mode. Now, before we use our custom animation, we're gonna have to save it, and I personally recommend first creating your new effect, so add a new animation if you didn't do that already. Now let's create some simple animation here. I don't know, like something like I'm not even sure if I actually changing something. Okay, give me a moment. I'm gonna create some animation really quick. Okay, so let's save the animation or anything, any effect, and let's rename it. So let's rename new animation to something like cool animation. Then we're gonna have to save it. Okay, so now we can select it right here, and after that we're gonna have to go to devices settings, then go to device lighting, and now let's replace effect and let's search for our cool animation. Select it right here. This will start the download process for your cool animation, and now what we're gonna have to do is return back to LightSync, go to presets, and in effects you'll be able to find and open your cool animation and enable it right here. As you can see, it's working right now. Now what we have to do is go to settings right now, go to onboard memory, enable the onboard memory, and right now we can import our current profile to our onboard memory. And yeah, right now we have this custom animation added to our onboard profile, and we can even close this application completely. We can disconnect our keyboard, and after we reconnect it, we'll see our custom animation. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.